Morning students, hope every one of you is safe at home and preparing well for your coming the second phase of JEE Mains 2020. Already every one of you could do well during the first phase, but because of unexpected conditions, every one of you is staying at home and preparing for the second phase of JEE Mains 2020. Now I want to educate you the analysis of 2019 JEE Mains, which will help you to expect where you will be and how to improve your performance. Before that, I want to explain you about the NITs. The total number of NITs in India is 31. There are 31 NITs in India. In these 31 NITs, you have nearly around 19,000 seats. I am talking only about NITs. I am not talking about IIITs, GFITs, etc. There are 31 NITs in entire India, and in these 31 NITs, you have 19,000 seats nearly available. These 19,000 seats are in different streams like computer science, electronics and communication, electrical and electronics, and information technology, like the different streams. Putting all together, you have 19,000 seats available nearly. Now if you look at the list of top 15 NITs, I am now discussing only about the top 15 NITs. The remaining 16 NITs I am not talking about, because some of the remaining 16 NITs did not even participate in the ranking given by the central government of India. So let us talk about only the top 15 NITs. In this, the first rank goes to NIT Trichy, which is in Tamil Nadu state. Every student should keep in mind that if you complete your 12th class examination from a particular state, you will be considered as the local candidate of that state, and that student is called as a home state student. Suppose a student completes his 12th class from Karnataka, he belongs to a local candidate of Karnataka. If a student completes 12th class from Tamil Nadu, he is considered as the local candidate of Tamil Nadu. Here the eligibility condition for home state and other state is your 12th class to be completed from that state. Suppose a student is studying in Andhra Pradesh, then he becomes a local candidate for NIT Tadepalligudem. He is a non-local candidate for all the remaining NITs. He belongs to Tadepalligudem NIT, and for all the other NITs, he is a non-local student. So, Tamil Nadu, again I come back to the top 15 NITs. NIT Trichy is in the first place. Actually, to honestly say with this NIT Trichy competes even with the top IITs also. The first 5 IITs and NIT Trichy almost one and the same. Not only in 2019 ranking, from long back onwards, this NIT Trichy is doing extraordinarily well. From almost 15-20 years, if you consider, NIT Trichy is the top among all NITs. So NIT Trichy, we can say, studying in NIT Trichy is almost on par with studying in top IITs. This Trichy is in Tamil Nadu state. So students who study in Tamil Nadu will be the local candidates of NIT Trichy. The remaining all other state students, they become non-local candidates of NIT Trichy. Similarly, the second rank goes to NIT Rourkela, which is in Orissa state. From the past 4-5 years, this NIT Roorkee is doing extremely good. The ranking is picking up year by year. And the third place goes to NIT Surathkal, which is in Karnataka state. Fourth place goes to NIT Warangal, which is in Telangana state. Actually, these three NITs, these rankings will be moving up and down. Among second, third and fourth ranks, 1 year NIT Surathkal will be in the second rank, NIT Telangana, NIT Warangal will be in the third rank, and NIT Roorkee will be in the fourth rank. The next year, it will be moving this side and that side. So, in one way to say, these three are almost one and the same. NIT Surathkal, NIT Roorkee, and NIT Warangal. These three are almost one and the same. And next it is NIT Motilal Nehru University, which is in Uttar Pradesh state. NIT Visvesvaraya, it is in Maharashtra state. NIT Calicut is in Kerala state, it is in 7th rank. This is also a very good NIT. NIT Calicut. And the next one is Sardar Vallabhai NIT, Sardar Vallabhai University, NIT Gujarat it is called as, and Silchar, which is in Assam, Durgapur, NIT Durgapur, it is in West Bengal. Like that, we have top 15 NITs. 15th rank goes to NIT Manipur, 14th rank goes to NIT Jaipur, 13th rank goes to NIT Bhopal, and 12th rank is NIT Kurukshetra, and Harnipur is in Himachal Pradesh. These are the top 15 NITs in India. Basing on your ranking in JEE Mains, you will be getting some seat in these 15 top NITs. Why I am saying the list of top NITs in India, why I am saying all these top 15 NITs in India, if you do well in the second mains examination, your rank will be better, and thereby you can get some seat in this top 15 NITs. Let us don't talk much about the remaining NITs. Let us focus on how to get a seat in the top 15 NITs. These NITs are extremely doing good. Campus-wise, infrastructure-wise, and professors-wise, every campus is well equipped with so many labs and infrastructure. So, your knowledge will be improved. Your when considered about the alumni, that means the students who did their BTechs and MTechs from these universities, they are placed in so many multinational companies. That alumni will help you a lot. So that is why I am discussing only about the 15 top NITs. These 15 top NITs, if you get into these top 15 NITs, your future will be so bright. So please note it down. These top 15 NITs, if you are doing well in the second mains examination, certainly there is a chance of getting, even though you are a non-local student, if your performance is good, certainly you do better and get some seat here in these top NITs.